I bought some of my favorite crisps and crunches to view under a microscope. Today, we're examining our favorite snacks, crisps and crunches, under a microscope. But before we delve into all the details, let's remember something crucial. While snacking is enjoyable, it's important to balance it with fruits and veggies for good health. Stay tuned for our full video where we'll showcase all the fascinating discoveries we uncover.
Witness the intricate details and hidden beauty of everything from tiny organisms to everyday objects. Ready for a closer look? Check out our YouTube channel for more fascinating discoveries. Link in the bio. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment to join the conversation and support the channel.